Station, Wisconsin to Windpoint, Wisconsin, 5 nautical miles offshore to mid-lake until 9:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 8:38 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a thunderstorm capable of producing waterspouts, located 14 nautical miles northeast of Windpoint, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazard, waterspouts and wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar indicated. Impact, waterspouts can easily overturn boats and create locally hazardous seas. Small craft could be damaged in briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. The severe thunderstorm will remain over mainly open waters. This is the